Hey guys, how are you doing today? My name is Seyi Adeleke, and I hope you and your family are safe in this pandemic. May God keep watching over us. Amen. Alright, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning videos in minutes. How to create stunning videos to promote your products, be it physical product or digital product, without wasting hours on Photoshop or Camtasia. Do you get that? Right in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually create videos, beautiful video, professional videos for your products without wasting hours on Photoshop or Camtasia. One thing is that no matter the kind of products you sell online, you need video. All right. Whether you are into e-commerce, that's physical product, or you actually sell digital products like ebook, video, software, etc. You need video, and the reason is because video converts much more better than image. Okay, video actually engage more with your audience than you using image. Video helps you to drive more traffic to your page. Okay, and you can use video to for your Facebook ads or for your Instagram ads, for your Google ads. You can actually use video. Okay, at the same time too, you can use video on your squeeze page. You can use video on your landing page. So you can use video on your sales page, etc. Okay, video helps you to bank more sales. Right, the only issue is that creating video is very tasking. You need to actually know how to work with Photoshop, Camtasia, or some other complex software. Okay, and this might actually require you spending hours, sometimes days, if you are not too good with these tools. Okay, so this is the main reason why a lot of people don't actually use videos, because it's actually difficult creating video. Okay, but right in this video, I'll show you a tool you can actually use to create video in minutes. All right, and the name of this tool is image to video. So you can actually go to this site now, www.imagetovideo.com. So let's go to that site and create our first video. Okay, this is it, image to video. It's loading. Oh, great. Now this is the site. Okay, imagetovideo.com. Can actually scroll down. All right, now with these tools, you can actually turn image to video. You can see this is another one. Again, you can turn audio to video. Maybe you have a particular audio, you can turn that audio to video. You can create slideshow. Okay, you can create large slideshow. You can create sequence to video. You can create water effect. You can actually convert text to video. Right, yes, you can convert text to video. You can actually add music to your video. You can add text to video. You can add your logo. There is a 3D transition effect. Okay, these tools also allow you to trim your video, to trim audio, to actually convert video to GIF, that's GIF, for comic strip makers, funny color. You can see, make a video with pictures and music. And the thing is, this tool is 100% free. 100% free. In fact, there is no watermark attached to your video, and it is very easy to use. Right, so to use this now, image to video, you just click on it once, right, and then scroll down. So all I have to do right now is to actually upload images. Okay, I have to select the image. Maybe I'm selling a particular product now, so I have to get the image of that product and upload it here, and I can select up to 30 images. As you can see, 30 images. All right, so just click on it. Okay, and search out the image you want to use. Okay, let's assume you're selling car scanner now, so you can actually select all this. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, this is it. You can see these are the 5 images I selected, and also I can actually show you this image. I can do it like this. I can put this one at the back to the front. I can make this one to go back to the front. I can show you the image as I like. Okay. Now after that, you click on this icon to continue to proceed. All right. Awesome. Now you can see upload an audio file. If you want a background music, this is actually the place for you to upload it. So you can click on it and select any audio file that you want to add as a background music to your video. Okay, and also if you don't have anyone, you can go to Google and search out for audio file or instrumentalist. You will see a whole lot of file you can actually use as background music for your video. All right, and at the same time too, you can continue without audio file. If you don't want to add audio file, you can actually continue. So let me select an audio file on my system. Let me select this. Okay, now the next thing is that you can actually add logo. You can add logo to your video if you want, and at the same time, if you don't want, you can actually proceed. If you want to add text to your video as well, this is the place for text. Scroll down, you can see add text to your video. So you can input the text here. Let's say my first video, right? Then you can actually increase the font size to, let's say, 22. Okay, let me increase it more to 28. Okay, shadow. If you want shadow, where do you want the text to appear? Is it at the bottom or center? Okay, the text effects. These are the effects. Okay, the font. So you can actually select the font here. We have quite a large number of fonts. Okay, good. So then I said you can add your logo here. Then the last thing for you to do is to click on create the video now. So to process the video, click on create. You can see uploading process. So it's actually creating the video right now. So just hold on for the video to be fully created. Right. Oh, great. The video has been fully created. You can see the video has been successfully created. All right. So it's loading. Okay, now, so to actually play this video, just click here to play the video. You can see. Can you see that the video actually looks awesome? Oh, this is great. Now, if you want to download this video, all you have to do is to click here, this download video, or you can actually click here, these 3 dots, click on it, then it will pop out download. So, and that will actually enable you to download this video. Okay. Now, let me show you another thing. Also, if you want to convert audio to video, it's actually the same process. You click here. Once you click here, you actually upload the audio you want to turn to video. Okay. So you just upload the audio file. Then it will ask you to select the background. Then you select the background and click on create. It's still the same procedure. The same thing with every other functions right here. So if you want to create 3D transition effect, you click on it as well. Still the same procedure. Nothing special here. Nothing special here. You should be able to use this to create your video. Okay. whether you are a newbie or pro. So 3D transition effect, let's actually select image. Let's select these two images. Okay, then you click on create video now. So uploading process. So let's give it a few seconds. Okay, you can see it's loading 5%, 9, 10, 12. Okay. So the procedure is actually the same thing. Open the URL, select the image, input the audio file, click on create video, and the video will be created. Okay, 100%. It's still loading. Step 2. Okay, we're almost there. This is 3D transition effect video. So it takes a while because it's 3D, and you actually be blown away with the results because it's actually much better. The only thing is that you can actually select just two images with the 3D transition effect. Okay, it's loading. So here is the results. Can you see? It's awesome. All right, can you see? This is awesome. So this 3D transition effects, and you can download the video here or here. All right, so that's it. You can see that the result looks cute. Okay, now like I said earlier, the procedure is actually the same thing. You come to this URL, you select the image, and you actually convert to video. It's very simple. All right, and I'm quite sure that you actually enjoy this too. Personally, I've used this software to create nothing less than 400 videos for my products, e-commerce products, and also my digital products, and also for my affiliate marketing product. So you can use this to create any type of video without wasting time learning Photoshop, Camtasia, and some other complex video creation too. Okay, and at the same time, this software will actually save you thousands of naira, because normally if you want to outsource your video to a video designer, they'll actually charge you thousands of naira to create just one single video. But with this software, you can actually create unlimited video, and at the same time it's free. You don't have to pay anybody anything. So create videos as you like for any product, digital product, physical product, anything you want. Just create your video. All right, and at the same time too, if you are smart like me, you can actually offer this as a service. Okay, you can actually approach businesses, companies, and actually help them to create videos. Okay, and you can charge them thousands of naira, and this is something you can do in just few minutes. Okay, so you have to be smart. So lastly, I want you to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button before you quit this video, so that you can be alerted when I drop the next free video, because hopefully very soon I'll drop another free video for you. Okay, and if you have comments, go to my blog and actually drop your comments. If you have something you want to share with me, go to my blog and drop your comments. If you have questions, go to my blog and drop your questions, and I'll actually try to attend to those questions. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I remain your humble coach, Seyi Adeleke, the CEO of Adeleke Technology. Thank you, bye, and stay safe. I love you.